Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Hyundai Kona and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight. It's just a regular factory headlight lens. And this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all we need to do is apply Slip Solution to the two lenses. Once we apply Slip Solution, go ahead and grab a clean microfiber towel and start removing any contaminants that both lenses may have. Okay, so once you finish prepping the headlight, now we can start with the installation. Just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film, and just make sure you align it to one side. And we're going to secure this section of the film by applying Tack Solution and then tagging it down and squeegeeing it up. So lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Hold it in place and start securing it to tack it down. With this one, because it is more curved edge here, you are going to need to apply a little bit of heat just to help the film sit on this edge. But first we need to make sure we secure this section. Okay, so now let's apply heat to help it tack down, and then we should be good. And you can also use your microfiber towel instead of your squeegee to help it tack down as you're applying heat. Now that this section is secured, we move on to stretching the film until we align it to that edge. So just stretch the film up to the edge. Once you have it on the edge, then we tack it down. So it should be right there. Make sure it stays aligned. Hold it in position. Spray Tack Solution on top. That way your squeegee is able to glide and tack it down. And just make sure you remove all the solution that's underneath the film. And then once you're done, we will apply heat just to help it sit more faster. And then we'll move on to the next piece. Okay, so now we move on to this piece. Okay, so now we're moving on to the lower section of the headlight. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And align the film right on the edge here. And make sure you apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film to secure it and tack it down. So once you finish securing this piece, now we can move on and just stretch the film until we reach it to this top edge. It's just a light stretch up to there. Hold it in position, apply Tack Solution, make sure you hold it and tack it down. And for this section here, squeegee at an angle, that way you're able to bring down those fingers and make them smaller. And once they're small enough, then we could apply a little bit of heat and Tack Solution to remove them. So apply Tack Solution, apply heat to shrink the fingers. Grab your microfiber towel and wrap it around your squeegee and just tack it down. And as you can see, the fingers are starting to disappear since we're helping them tack down. And you would just do that to each side just in case there is any fingers around the surrounding area. And then once you're done, make sure before we post heat that there's no bubbles underneath the film. So just clean the film, make sure, double check and see there's no bubbles here and on the top one. If there's none, then we're good to go to post heat the entire piece. So the last thing to do once you finish with the whole installation is to post heat your entire headlight. So just apply Tack Solution all over the film. You're going to grab your heat gun and start applying heat all over the film. And as you're applying heat, you're going to use your microfiber towel to help tack down the film and remove any solution that's still trapped underneath the film. So just take your time when you're doing this step. Make sure you're covering the whole surrounding area of the tint. That way the adhesive is able to activate faster and it stays secure to your headlight lens. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installations. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tint for the 2022 Hyundai Kona. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.